Until a few years ago, we had cable TV that was costing us nearly $100 a month. Then I found an HD antenna design on the internet. It was made from a piece of wood and some standard metal coat hangers, with a matching transformer to connect to our HD TV. I built the antenna and connected it. After programming the TV to all the channels available, I was shocked at the clarity and performance of our TV and how many channels were actually available over the air. The original antenna design that I built was to be used indoors only because of the effect the weather would have on the wood and the uncoated steel coat hangers. So I began to create a new design that would stand up to the weather and could be used outside for better reception. The first thing to do was come up with a material that would withstand the weather and the brutal summers here in Arizona. Vinyl is the material that I decided to use because it was relatively inexpensive, tough, and available. The size I decided to make was very close to the same as the original. The vinyl I used was from a 4x4 fence post. The post I purchased was 4 inches by 4 inches by 6 feet long. These are also available in shorter lengths. Since I was going to make more than one, it was not a waste of material at all. We have 3 HD TVs in our home, so I decided to make 3 of the antennas. I also ended up making 3 more antennas for my sons. Next, you will need some vinyl coated steel coat hangers and some 832 screws with washers and nuts. The final thing you will need is a 75 to 300 ohm matching transformer. These are available from a number of places online for about $5. After you've cut the vinyl frame to size, mark the center in both directions. Then measure for the 1/8 inch diameter holes to be drilled. It's a good idea to use a square of some kind to make sure they are aligned. The 2 center holes are closer to each other than the others, so the matching transformer can be easily connected. After all the holes are drilled, put the screws in and tighten the nuts in place. This will make it easy to measure and bend the wires for the connectors. After the wires for the interior connectors are cut to size and bent to fit, trim the vinyl away from all the areas where the screws will be attached. It's also a good idea to attach a short coaxial cable from the transformer to the outside of the antenna frame. This way you can mount the antenna, then connect the coaxial cable that runs to the TV. I really hope you enjoy using your new over-the-air antenna.